это дождь.
Дождь ночной стучит.
Ну что, едем в Москву, получается, скоро.
Стучит в твое окно, а между нами что-то. Я не знаю.
Я уже готов.
Дождь дневной идет со мной гулять.
Дождь ночной со мной не хочет спать, а между нами что-то.
А между ними подождет 12 странных СМС, 2 пересадки на метро, 5 быстрых взглядов на бегу, 128 добрых уток, 12 туч и 6 задов, по 9 лестниц и мостов, 712 человек, которым в лица лепит снег.
Между нами только 2 дождя, между нами только 10 луж и 20 темных окон. А одно
задолбались, просто жесть. Из-за ошибки вот этой вот херни мы теперь стоим 20 минут и ждем. Ну вот такой вот красивый. Ну и вот на таком вот красивом виде заканчивается наш первый день. Все.
Lamborghini Gallardo. Maybe go to my place and just kick it like Tybo. And possibly bend you over. Look back and watch me smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh, smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh. Up front style, ready to attack now. Pulling the parking lot slow with the lockdown. Convicts got the whole thing packed now. Step in the club, the wardrobe intact now. I feel it, don't it crack now. Ooh, I see it all that back now. I'm a caller, then I put the Mac down. Money no problem, pocket full of that now. I feel you creeping, I can see it from my shadow. Wanna jump up in my Lamborghini Gallardo. Maybe go to my place and just kick it like Tybo. And possibly bend you over. Look back and watch me smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh, smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh.
Oh, looks like another club hanger. They better hang on when they throw this thing on. Get a little drink on, they gon' flip with a Akon shit. You can bank on it. Pedicure, manicure, kitty cat claws. The way she climbs up and down them poles, looking like one of them booty cat dolls. Trying to hold my booty back through my drawers. Steps on stage, didn't think I saw. Creeps up behind me and she's like, yeah. I'm like, I know, let's cut to the chase. No time to waste, back to my place. Bus from the club to the crib's like a mile away, but more like a palace, shall I say. And plus I got a pal if your gal is game. In fact, he's the one singing the song that's playing. Hey girl,
I feel you creeping, I can see it from my shadow. Wanna jump up in my Lamborghini Gallardo. Maybe go to my place and just kick it like Tybo. And possibly bend you over. Look back and watch me smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh, smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh. Eminem's rolling, D and M rolling, boo and oh marvelous and rolling. Women just holding, big booty rolling. Soon I be all in them and throwing D. Hitting no less than 3. Block real style like we. Girl, I can tell you want me, cause lately I feel you creeping, I can see it from my shadow. Wanna jump up in my Lamborghini Gallardo.
Это дождь.
Дождь ночной стучит в мое окно. Дождь дневной стучит в твое окно. А между нами что-то, я не знаю что.
Дождь дневной идет со мной гулять.
Дождь ночной со мной не хочет спать. А между нами...
Уважаемые пассажиры, наш поезд прибывает в город воинской славы Курск.
Ну и все, мы приехали домой, мы дома. Это значит, что влог заканчивается, это значит, все, пока, короче.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.